To ask when a program like Neighbours is on, you ask, kun je ha neighbours ear? Kun je ha neighbours ear?
Kun je ha film is?
Shia uren.
Kun je ha Tomorrow's World eir?
Och uren.
Kun je ha Coronation Street er nog?
An och. A Coronation Street is ag seach goeden.
Ask when El Dorado is on. Kun je ha El Dorado eir? Kun je ha El Dorado eir?
Ask when Top of the Pops is on. Kun je ha Top of the Pops eir? Kun je ha Top of the Pops eir?
Ask when Emmerdale Farm is on. Kun je ha Emmerdale Farm eir? Kun je ha Emmerdale Farm eir? Eiste veriist, and listen for Ek Shech at 7. Ek Shech and Anoch tonight. Anoch.
Kun je ha film is?
Shia uren.
Kun je ha Tomorrow's World eir?
Och uren.
Kun je ha Coronation Street er nog?
An och. A Coronation Street is ag seach goeden.
1/4 in Gaelic is Cashel in J. Cashel in J. Cashel in J.
Quarter 2 is Cashel Gu. Cashel Gu. Give the following times. 9:45.
Cashel Gujich. Cashel Gujich.
2:45.
Cashel Gutri. Cashel Gutri.
6:15.
Cashel in J Shia. Cashel in J Shia.
There's no recap this time, but there are 2 more phrases. 1/2, le uur in J, le uur in J, le uur in J. You give the Gaelic for the following times. 6:30. Le uur in J Shia. Le uur in J Shia. 4:30. Le uur in J Ceher. 1:30. Le uur in J uur.
The other phrase to remember is guvi. Almost. Guvi. 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 Hi guvi uer. It is almost 1 o'clock. Hi guvi uer. Hi guvi leherenjay 3. It is almost 3:30. Hi guvi leherenjay 3. Fáilte unit nui. Unit nui. In this unit we'll be looking at how to say whether you are working and asking others about their jobs. The word for work or a job is oper. Oper. You may be without work at the moment, in which case you might need hami gun oper. I am without work. Gun oper. Gun oper. Hami gun oper. Hami gun oper.
If you are working, you may be asked, Je yn oper a hakev. What is your job? Je yn oper a hakev.
Fesger ma. Dyn oper a hagaf.
Driver.
Driver. Tapelief. Dyn oper a hagaf.
Teacher.
Fesger ma. Dyn oper a hagaf.
Nurse. Jane open hagaf.
Iesker. Dyn oper a hagaf.
Chaussure hannen.
Driver. A driver. Teacher. A teacher. Nurse. A nurse. And there were two that couldn't be guessed. Iesker, a fisherman, and Sur, a joiner. Iesker. Sur. Sur.
If you want to say you are a nurse, you use she nurse a hannam. She nurse a hannam. She nurse a hannam.
If you want to say you are a joiner, you use she sur a hannam. She sur a hannam. She sur a hannam.
Fesger ma. Dyn oper a hagaf.
She driver a hannam.
Driver. Tapelief. Dyn oper a hagaf.
She teacher a hannen.
Fesger ma. Dyn oper a hagaf.
She nurse a hannam. Jane open hagaf.
Se iesker a hammon.
Say that you are a teacher. She teacher a hannam. She teacher a hannam.
Say that you are a driver. She driver a hannam. She driver a hannam.
Say that you are a nurse. She nurse a hannam. She nurse a hannam.